Accessing an element in a list is done just the way we access a character in a string. To access an element with an index I in a list, L, the syntax L, a pair of square brackets I, where I is a numerical index, L is the list, is used. You see the syntax? This is the syntax. It's very similar to the way we access a character in a string. Okay, let's look at examples. This is a list of 2, 3, 7, and 4, and we are trying to access the element at index 0, and the element at index 0 is 2, right? So the output is 2. Example 2, another list of 2, 3, 7, 4, and we are trying to access the element at index 1, and the element at index 1 is 3. Okay, and this is another list containing element 2, 3, 7, 4, and we are trying to access the element at index 2. The element at index 2, 0, 1, 2 is 7. Okay, and this is the output. Can you see the output? Okay, and this is the last example. A list of 2, 3, 7, 4, and we are trying to access the element at index 3. The element at index 3 is 4, and this is the output 4. So in a list like this that contains the total number of elements in the list is 4, okay, but the index of the last element is 3. Why? Because, as I said earlier, in computer programming, counting starts from 0. So if you attempt to access an element in a list like this, if you try to access an element at index 4, you will get an error, and your program will get crashed because such element doesn't exist in the list in question. Thank you.